There's one rule of exponents that I want to look at, and that's when you actually have two exponents in the same problem. You can think about this the same way by expanding this out. What does it mean to square something? Well, it means to multiply it by itself. So this is really 2x to the third times 2x to the third, which I further expand that out. It could be 2 times 2 times x to the third times x to the third, and then thinking about this as 3x's multiplied together, 3x's multiplied together. So I can multiply those two, so 2 times 2 is 4, and then recondense these to x to the 6th. So you might be starting to see a pattern, but let's look at another example and see what might happen. 3x to the 4th raised to the 2nd. So let's try this one. Same way by expanding it out. So I'm going to have 3 times 3 times x to the 4th times x to the 4th, which gives me 9x to the 8th. So you might start to notice a pattern. The exponent behaves normally if it's just a coefficient, but then with the exponents, when you have that double exponent, since it's really the same thing twice or 3 times or whatever, you end up multiplying those exponents. So 3 times 2. So in general, if we have something to a power raised to another power, the rule for those exponents is that we're going to multiply those numbers together. So if I had x to the negative 2nd raised to the negative 10th, I could avoid dealing with negative exponents by multiplying those together and get x to the 20th. Or if I had x to the negative 3rd to the 2nd, I would get x to the negative 6th, which I could rewrite as a positive exponent by doing 1 over x to the 6th.